What if I told you that September, the month when most people are packing up their gardens, is actually the perfect time to unlock a whole new season of growth? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the shocking part. In Zone 5, September is not the end. It's the beginning of something powerful. Most gardeners think summer is the only time for harvest. But the truth is, September planting in Zone 5 can give you vegetables and flowers that not only survive but thrive in cool weather. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll share one planting secret that even experienced gardeners often miss. So, before you think about putting your tools away for winter, let's pause, because what you plant in September could be the difference between an empty garden bed and fresh food on your table, plus beautiful flowers still blooming when others think the season is over. Now, let's break a myth. Many people in Zone 5 believe September means it's too late. But the truth is, the cooler weather is actually your friend. Why? Because certain crops grow even better when the intense summer heat is gone. In fact, some vegetables taste sweeter after a light frost. Imagine biting into a carrot that's crisp, juicy, and naturally sweeter than anything you pulled out in July. That's the magic of Zone 5 September planting. The soil is still warm from summer, which means seeds sprout faster. At the same time, the cool air protects tender crops from pests that were a nightmare in August. This creates a perfect balance: quick germination, fewer bugs, and plants that actually like the chill. So instead of shutting down your garden, September gives you a second chance. A bonus season. And this is where most beginners make a mistake, but don't worry. I'll reveal that mistake a little later. Let's talk veggies. Which ones actually love September in Zone 5? Spinach is number one. This leafy green thrives in cool weather, grows fast, and can handle frost like a champion. Then we have kale. Not only does kale survive the cold, but it also gets more tender and flavorful after the temperature drops. Carrots and beets are another must. Plant them now and the roots will mature in the cool soil. The amazing part: a touch of frost makes them sweeter, almost like nature's candy. Radishes also shine in September. They're one of the fastest growing vegetables, often ready in just 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for a quick harvest before winter really sets in.
And don't forget lettuce.
Loose-leaf lettuce varieties will keep producing until the hard frost.
Imagine fresh salads when most people think the garden season is over. But here's the open loop. There's one vegetable that almost every beginner forgets to plant in September, even though it can handle Zone 5 weather beautifully. I'll share that surprise in just a moment. Keep watching. Here's a question for you. What's the number one mistake Zone 5 gardeners make in September? It's not forgetting to water. It's not planting too late. The biggest mistake is choosing the wrong varieties. Think about it. Not every carrot or lettuce seed is built for fall. Some are long-season types meant for summer. If you plant those in September, they won't have time to mature before frost. And that's where frustration comes in. But if you choose fast-growing, cool weather varieties, the results are completely different. The garden comes alive when others think the season is dead. So in just a few minutes, I'll reveal how to pick the exact right seeds for September. But first, let's not forget the other half of your garden: flowers. Vegetables are only half the story. September is also a secret season for flowers in Zone 5. One of the best choices is pansies. These little gems love the cool weather and can bloom well into fall. Then there are mums, the classic autumn flower, filling your garden with bright colors even when the days get shorter. Snapdragons are another surprise. Many gardeners don't realize they can survive cool nights and still produce vibrant blooms. Plant them in September, and they'll reward you with color when most summer flowers are fading away. And don't skip ornamental kale and cabbage. Not only do they handle frost, but they actually look more beautiful as the temperature drops. Here's the interesting part. Mixing flowers with vegetables in September doesn't just make your garden pretty, it also confuses pests and creates a healthier growing environment. But remember that open loop from earlier? That one forgotten vegetable.
Let's answer it.
So what's the vegetable beginners forget to plant in September? It's peas.
Yes, peas.
Most people think peas are a spring crop only, but in Zone 5, if you plant them in early September, they can grow quickly in the cool soil and give you a sweet harvest before the ground freezes.
Here's why it works. Peas love cool air and don't need long summer heat.
If you pick a fast-maturing variety, you'll be surprised at how well they do. This brings us to the real secret of Zone 5 September planting timing. It's not just about what you plant, but when you plant it, the soil's warmth speeds up germination, while the shortening days slow growth just enough to make plants stronger. So the balance is perfect if you act at the right moment. And that moment is now. But wait, there's something even more important most gardeners overlook. They think about crops and flowers, but they forget about protecting the soil itself. Here's the truth. If you don't care for your soil in September, next spring, you'll pay the price. Adding compost now, planting cover crops, or even mulching can transform your garden.
It locks in nutrients, improves soil health, and prepares your beds for next season.
September is not just about harvesting more, it's about setting up your garden for success next year. Ignore this step, and you'll regret it when spring comes. Now, let's make it simple with steps you can follow. Step 1, choose fast-growing, cool weather varieties of vegetables and flowers.
Look for words like early, fast, or cold hardy on seed packets.
Step 2, prepare your soil. Loosen it, add compost, and make sure it's well drained. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Step 3, plant your seeds or seedlings. For most Zone 5 September planting, the earlier in the month, the better. Step 4, water consistently. Even though it's cooler, young plants need steady moisture to get established. Step 5, protect against frost when needed. Simple row covers can extend your season by weeks. Follow these steps, and your Zone 5 September planting will reward you with fresh vegetables and flowers long after most gardeners have given up. So here's the big takeaway. Zone 5 September planting is not the end of the season. It's the start of a hidden second season filled with cool weather vegetables and flowers that thrive. Instead of letting your garden beds sit empty, you can enjoy crisp lettuce, sweet carrots, colorful pansies, and even peas that surprise you before winter arrives. Remember the 3 secrets: plant the right varieties, pay attention to timing, and don't forget to protect your soil. Now, I want you to imagine walking outside in October or even early November and seeing your garden alive with growth while everyone else thinks it's over. That's the magic of understanding Zone 5 September planting. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more gardening tips. And tell me in the comments, which vegetable or flower are you excited to try this September?